Y'all can't tell me that this doesn't look delicious. And I think your family would love it. They would love the creativity, how different it is. Hi y'all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen, and of course I'm back at y'all with another great video. Today y'all, this is just an idea. This is just a breakfast idea, or it could even be a dinner idea. And what we're going to be making today y'all is a loaded breakfast potato. And over here is the things you'll need in order to make it. So y'all, of course you will need some potatoes. I got potatoes that's already cooked back here. But yeah, you will need some potatoes. You will need some scrambled eggs. I mean some eggs. You need some cheese. We're going to be putting bacon and sausage in ours. So I got some bacon and some sausage. And then I got some seasoning. There's some black pepper, garlic, onion, and seasoning salt. That's going to be the seasoning for my eggs. And then I got some paste pecani sauce. So y'all, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and put my oven. See me, my bacon, y'all, I like to cook mine in the oven. So I got me a cookie sheet here that I lined with aluminum foil. I'm going to lay the bacon down, put it in the oven for about 20-30 minutes. So that'll be done. We're going to scramble up the sausage, and we're going to scramble up some eggs. Let's get to it. So, all right, y'all, as y'all see, we got our bacon in the oven. So while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and scramble up some of this meat. And I say scramble because I'm not doing it like in patties. We're going to do it like hamburger meat. I'm just going to do a little bit of sausage. That's all the sausage we need. So, boom. Got our sausage. You're just going to do it just like you would do hamburger meat. Just like that. We're going to let that get hot. So as that's getting hot. Alright y'all, and then so we got our bacon, we got our sausage. I got some eggs here that I put about 5 or 6 eggs in here. All these eggs will not be used for this recipe because after this video, y'all, I'm going to make me a breakfast burrito. So I'm going to go ahead and make my eggs now. But yeah, so in my eggs, I'm just going to season a little bit of seasoning salt. We're going to do a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. And some pepper. And we're going to wait to cook our eggs, y'all. We're going to wait till this bacon get almost done and our sausage get done because y'all know eggs get cold really fast. So we're going to hold off on cooking our eggs. But I just thought this would be a great breakfast idea. I've never seen this. I was just in the bed and I was pondering like what video I'm gonna do next, and I thought about this and I think it's a great idea. So you guys will see as we're putting everything together. So like our skillet's getting a little hot. Just want to break it up. Oh, the sausage smells good. All right, so what I'm going to do, y'all, we're going to go ahead and finish cooking this sausage, and we're going to wait on the bacon to get done. When I come back, I'm going to show y'all how I scramble the eggs, and then we're going to put everything together, and we'll be all done. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just took the bacon out. And I just got it on a paper plate with some paper towels, and we're just going to, try to pat out that excess grease. This is all I'm doing is trying to, boom, while that's sitting, we're going to go ahead and get these eggs cooking, y'all, because we're almost done. Our baked potato is done. Our sausage is done. Bacon is done. We just got to cook these eggs. So, one moment. Not going to use that. Put some butter in the skillet, just like that. We're going to go ahead and let that melt. And we're going to cook these eggs, y'all. We're almost done. These are my eggs. When you're scrambling the eggs, you want to go ahead and break that yolk. And this is what you want. Scrambled eggs. Alright, so we're going to continue to let this get hot. Put our little eggs. I'm gonna just use my wooden little spoon, y'all. Alright, y'all. Eggs are done. Congratulations, you know how to make scrambled eggs. Now, I'm sure a lot of y'all already know how to make scrambled eggs, but y'all gotta keep in mind, it's some people on my channel that don't know. So this ain't for no gourmet chefs. This ain't none of that. You know, this is for people who need ideas and people who genuinely just do not have a clue, do not know how to cook. This is what this channel is for. If you're a gourmet chef, go on your own. You go on your YouTube with your gourmetness. This is regular smuggler, good cooking, y'all. No gourmet chef here. All right, so we got our bacon done. The bacon looks beautiful. Look at that bacon. Bacon. We got our eggs. We got our sausage. We got our baked potato over there. So y'all, we about to go ahead and plate this. All right, y'all. So I got my baked potatoes here, and I just cut them down the middle, just like that. You just want to cut them down the middle. Then you're gonna get your fork, and you're gonna dig that out. You're gonna dig the potatoes out. People that just cut the potato down the middle irks me. It does something to me. You gotta get the guts out. You gotta get. There we go, y'all. All right, that's what you want right here. All right, y'all. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna go down with a little bit of pepper and salt for the potato. Like that. Then I think the first thing we're gonna go down with is our sausage. No, actually I'm going with my eggs first, y'all. I'm gonna put some eggs. Ooh, hot. Eggs. Get some sausage, y'all. Put some sausage in that thing. Sausage. Oh, it looks so good already. Look at that, y'all. All right, then we're gonna get some bacon, y'all. I'm just gonna crumble the bacon up like this. Put it on top. We have like some kitchen scissors. Those would be great for this. You just want to have bacon all on that thing. Bacon, our sausage. Alright, and then next what we're going to do, y'all, is go down with some cheese. Cheese on there. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with a little parsley, a little razzle dazzle. Now we're going to put this back in the oven, y'all, and let all that cheese melt. Isn't this brilliant? This is brilliant, I think. Because everybody like potatoes. Everybody like eggs. You like bacon or sausage if you don't like both. And it's just all together. You're getting it all in one. Like you just can't beat this, man. I'm surprised restaurants ain't doing this. I ain't been to a restaurant, seen a restaurant, or heard of a restaurant doing anything like this. I think this is brilliant. All right, y'all, so we're going to put this back in the oven. We're going to let this get hot for about 5 minutes. We're going to pull it back out, and we'll be all done, y'all. Again, this is just a breakfast idea, a dinner idea, a lunch idea, whatever idea you want it to be. This is what that is. So, yeah. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the oven. I got my oven on 350, and we're going to let that bake, and we're going to see what it looks like when we bring it back out. I'm going to go ahead and straighten up my kitchen. We'll be right back. Hey y'all, if you're looking for quick and easy recipes, dinner recipes, lunch recipes, I got you. Hit the subscribe button and tune in. You don't want to miss out. CHELL'S Kitchen. Alright y'all, so what I'm doing really quickly is I'm going to chop up some onions to sprinkle on top. Y'all, you can put onions, you can put chives, you can put green peppers, any other vegetables you want to go on top, you can definitely put it on top and really make it a loaded potato. I'm just going to chop up some purple onion here, red onion. And we're going to just sprinkle a little bit of this on top, y'all, just to give it a little extra flavor. Now, if you don't like onions, you just bypass this, okay? You bypass this part. We are all done, and I went ahead and topped it with the red onions like I had said. But get into that potato, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that this doesn't look delicious. And I think your family would love it. They would love the creativity, how different it is. I forgot to pick up sour cream when I was at the store, but if you have some sour cream, you can play. I have some paste pecani sauce here, and again, I forgot to get sour cream. So if you can get some sour cream, get you some sour cream, baby, and there you have it. It looks delicious, y'all. This is what you want. All right, y'all. Well, I wanted to thank you all for tuning in today. It's been my pleasure. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell so you know every time I drop a great video. Please comment below. What would you put in your potato? What would you do differently? What would you top yours with? Comment below. Comment below and let me know if you think this is a great idea or not. And again, thank you so much. I will be back with another great video. Have a great day.